Hey, who wants to make chocolate cake in 2 minutes? I do. This is a recipe from Kirby's Cravings. It's the 2-minute, 2-ingredient chocolate cake, microwave mug cake. It's so good. So you're going to need a mug, an egg, 3 tablespoons of Nutella or unbranded chocolate spread. Like chocolate spread and Nutella both work. Impress Swell does not. A fork, spoon, and I've got a plate as well so I can turn it out afterwards, but that's not needed, and a microwave. Take the egg, crack it into the mug, don't get any shell in there. No shell. Put it in, wash your hands. Never excite the dog. Grab your fork and just whisk it up. And you kind of get a gooey whisked situation. Not like the most amazing whisking or anything. It doesn't need to quadruple in volume or anything weird. Take your whatever brand chocolate, hazelnut or regular chocolate spread. Tablespoon, okay, that one's like 2 tablespoons. Oh, it's so sticky. It's like the hardest part. Make sure you get lots on your fingers. And another one. Okay. Maintain good standards of hygiene by licking your fingers clean. And then mix it up with your fork until it's just mixed. It doesn't take very long, but the first couple of stirs are a little bit efforty. And this one is really good for, oh crap, I want to make someone a cake that I like, maybe like someone at work, that you've completely forgotten until the night before at 10 o'clock, because it is so quick to make, and also not beyond the realm of possibility to make it while you're like at work. Should you have access to Nutella and eggs, but not a cake. Okay, so that part's not that practical, but you know, it's got that homemade loveliness to it, even if you just have to make it in a microwave, limited ingredients and stuff. The quite nice thing about this as well is that it doesn't have anything that can't just kind of be left on the side or in a cupboard. So it's pretty good if you spontaneously want some chocolate cake. Right, so that is completely mixed, again, no time at all. And that, it goes really dark when it's done. So if I do like a colour comparison, with the not Nutella next to it. Ooh, professional setup. So you've got like that really dark colour, and then like if you look on the side, you can see the different colour. So when it's gone all really dark like that, that's when it's mixed. Scrape it out. And then the actual magic is you put it in the microwave for 1 minute, 1 whole minute. Use that time to wash your fork. I'll chop off the side where you put your fork down really quickly. Get all over all the other washing up again. Microwave says when I make this, so technically it's not a cake, it's a souffle. Which I guess technically it is. It doesn't have any flour. seconds. Time to put the Nutella away. And we're done. So it does like puff up quite a lot while it's in there, and then it'll deflate down again. Much like a souffle. So that's what it looks like in there. Lovely mug cake. Right. So you get, I'm just going to pop it out on a plate so it's easier to see. You get this, the cake part, and a chocolate sauce. So the egg has cooked and then everything else is just sauce. So that's like liquidy Nutella. And it stays liquidy as well because it's used up like the oil in the cooking process. Or, honestly, I have no idea. It's complete witchcraft to me. On how this comes out of the 2 ingredients that we put into it and stays amazing. So it stays at pretty much the same consistency the whole time. So even when it cools down, it doesn't like firm up again or anything. It's cool. So that's what it looks like. It is ridiculously chocolatey. It's so good. So sometimes, like when I make it, I have to eat it in 2 sittings because it's so intensely chocolatey. But that's it. It's that fast, that easy. Just, it's amazing. I love it. Try it while you're in quarantine.